Hi, and welcome to the tutorial video for generating a time-based one-time password for the AMC Banking app. To set up the code, we go under Settings. Here we can either scan the QR code again or create a time-based one-time password. To generate a code, we go under TOTP. Here we can also get additional information. Click the password to open up the dialog box and fill in the password. After the password has been set, the code button will become active. The code is only valid for 90 seconds. When you set up a password in the TOTP menu, it is only stored here, but you can change it whenever you want to. You have to type in this password every time you are approving payment journals.